Today, we'll show you how to quickly and efficiently create 100 creative variations. To get started, you can use variants, which work in a separate tab. AI creates them for you. Or if you already have a feed, connect it, upload it, and preview it right away. Map each feed field to the right object, so images match images and text matches text. We'll also add the price. Now we can check this format and see how the text and images fit. In this case, everything looks great. For a clearer overview, we can check the grid. Now let's resize this banner for all formats. Choose Display, select All, and click Resize. At this stage, we'll need to wait a little. And here are the sizes we generated. Overall, both the text and images fit well. Let's add some animation. You can animate it yourself in Viewst, or let AI do it. Let's see what it created. This format works perfectly for us. Let's look at the other sizes. Click play and check them. We like how the animation fits. We ended up with 10 variations in this format. Let's go back to the tab with all sizes. Let's make sure everything is in order. Everything looks good. Let's export. Choose HTML. You can also add any optimization you need. And we now have 140 banners from a single size. Let's check them right away. We'll check the 150 by 180 format. Everything looks good. And let's check a narrow skyscraper format, 160 by 600. This one looks great too. That's how you can quickly and efficiently create hundreds of creatives from just one banner. Thanks for watching.